Imagine stepping outside and realizing the world has frozen in place. Not slowed down, stopped. A raindrop hangs suspended in the middle of the air over a silent, motionless street. As the hours pass, the reality sets in. The cars aren't idling. The birds are fixed mid-flight. Every living thing on Earth is locked in position, and somehow you are the only one left to witness the stillness. Your brain tries to rationalize it, but once you accept the impossibility of the situation, the panic fades. You have no responsibilities, no pressure, and nobody to answer to. This impossible event begins to look like the ultimate superpower. For the first time, the entire planet belongs to you alone. But absolute control over reality is a trap, one that transforms infinite freedom into a psychological prison. The first few days bring a sense of pure liberation. You can walk anywhere and take anything. Locked doors and security cameras have lost their purpose. Luxury stores and private vaults are now open for your inspection. Modern life is exhausting, filled with constant noise and endless expectations. Now, the schedules have vanished. Deadlines have ceased to exist. The heavy weight of society has evaporated. You can wander right past crowds of frozen shoppers and treat an entire city as your own personal playground without a single consequence. You can finally do everything people secretly fantasize about. For a brief window, existing detached from every social rule feels like the purest form of human liberty. Eventually, the silence starts to feel oppressive. There is no wind, no distant traffic, and no random conversations. The quiet weighs heavily against your ears, sounding less like peace and more like absence. You begin noticing disturbing details. A bird remains stuck in the exact same mid-flat posture for weeks. Traffic lights stay frozen on a single color. Reality feels like a broken machine. Then physical impossibilities catch up. If time stopped, air molecules wouldn't move. Expanding lungs would fight a wall of frozen oxygen. Breathing becomes impossible. The logic unravels further with light. Photons approaching an eye freeze in place. You shouldn't be able to see. If the laws of physics are paralyzed, why are you unaffected? A terrifying thought sets in. Maybe time didn't stop. Maybe humanity continued moving forward, and you somehow slipped outside the boundaries of reality. Once the logical foundation of the world breaks down, your curiosity vanishes. It is replaced by a creeping existential dread. Humans evolved to depend on social structure. Our brains rely on the unpredictability of others and the forward momentum of time to maintain sanity. Without time moving forward, your goals lose their meaning. There is no reason to plan or improve because tomorrow never arrives. Your motivation disappears, leaving you emotionally hollow. You start desperately seeking out human interaction, even if it's artificial. You sit directly across from a frozen stranger in a diner, having one-sided conversations just to hear the sound of a voice. We use other people as emotional mirrors. We rely on them to reflect and validate our own feelings. Without them, your environment starts feeling like a giant, abandoned movie set. After months of total sensory deprivation, your mind begins to hunger for any kind of signal. When the world stops providing information, the brain starts to manufacture its own reality. You start hearing phantom sounds, footsteps pacing closely behind you on empty streets, quiet whispers echoing through vacant rooms that should be silent. Your vision starts playing tricks on you. You catch impossible movements out of the corner of your eye. A frozen person's posture looks slightly different than before, or your own reflection blinks a fraction of a second late. After years of isolation, your perception of time collapses. You can't remember if an event happened yesterday or a decade ago. Your past memories and your current reality blur together into a feverish, dreamlike state. Deep down, this level of isolation feels biologically wrong. Denied the external input it needs to anchor itself, the human mind will eventually turn inward and destroy itself. We spend our entire lives chasing independence. We want more money and more time alone. But achieving that goal reveals how quickly autonomy becomes a form of psychological torture. You can conquer the world and master any skill, yet individual achievements and unique experiences have no intrinsic value when there is no audience left to witness them. The value of time has little to do with its speed or its scarcity. We value time because we experience it alongside other people. Look at the most beautiful moments in nature. A stunning sunset over a mountain peak isn't a victory anymore. Without someone beside you to share the view, a grand phenomenon becomes a monument to your own loneliness. It forces you to ask a final question. If humanity disappeared and there was no one left to define you, how long would it take before you stopped feeling human too? You are left carrying the weight of infinite time, trapped in a world where you will never encounter another living moment. Absolute independence eventually reveals itself as a psychological nightmare.